Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set multiple wallpapers on Samsung lock screen. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Okay, the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings app, scroll down and click on lock screen, and under secure lock settings where it says lock screen, click on edit. Now on this page here, you want to tap on Wallpapers, located top left hand corner of your screen. Here, just simply go through your gallery, find the photos you want to add. So I'll just do this demonstration quickly. So I want to add this one, that one. Alright, when I add these, once you've done, click on done. Okay, on this page here, if you want to see your items, click on the items, bottom left hand corner of your screen. And this shows you your items that you've got added. If you want to delete any, you might delete that one there, just like that. You can also select a filter as well for this. So you can change the look of your photo. Might go with that one. Once you finish editing, click on the done button. And it says here changes applied to lock screen. So yeah, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.